Hello, this is Yoshi. Lecture 18 is Nakaware Ori. This is a folding technique that you must know, you must remember. Okay, what is Nakaware Ori? Naka is inside in Japanese, ware is divide, ori is fold. So, Nakaware Ori is a special technique to fold origami. You have already used this technique when creating tulip stem or frog legs. Okay, now take the example of folding duck of lecture 38, which you will learn later on. Folding papers like this. This large triangle will be used folding duck or swan. First thing to do is divide, and the next is fold towards inside. So what does it mean? First, bend the sharp side like this. And then the next is to open the middle part, divide, and roll in the sharp side towards inside. Sharp side is the neck of duck. As you can see, the neck of duck is inside of the body. This is the typical Nakaware Ori. Let's see one more example, making the head by using Nakaware Ori. Towards inside of the neck, the head is rolled in. So please watch the supplement video of Nakaware Ori. First, fold big triangle. Then fold triangle, long triangle. The side is on the center line. The side line is on the center line. And fold the other side as well. Turn over the paper and fold at the center. Now bend here. Okay, from here watch carefully. Now divide. Roll in the neck, in this case, into the body. Very smooth, right? Bend. The next is to divide and roll into the inside. Okay, imagine where you want to create neck and bend. Neck and bend, I'm sorry. Then unfold and then open, actually divide inside, towards inside to fold in the sharp side. That's how Nakaware Ori doing. As you can see, folding part is inside of the body. One more again. First bend, unfold, and towards inside, roll in. Okay, this is Nakaware Ori. Let me summarize how it should be done. First, imagine the line, then bend towards the way you want papers to position, unfold, and then towards inside to fold in, roll in. The opposite is going to be Kasane Ori, which will be shown in the lecture 19. See you.